Hello YouTube, my name is Arohi and today I'm going to be talking about Pixlr and how you can use it to make high quality thumbnails. Let's get into it. Pixlr is a web-based image editing tool that allows you to edit photos and create designs right from your browser. It's free to use and there is no install or download required. I discovered Pixlr back in 2014 when I was looking for a Photoshop alternative to create banners for a web design project I was working on, and I've been using it on and off ever since. Getting started is easy. There are two editors to choose from, one for photo editing and one for design. At the end of the day, it really just comes down to preference which one you want to use. Also, there's a nice selection of pre-made templates that you can use as a base for your designs. This is great for beginners or for those who may not have time to design their images from scratch. The great thing about Pixlr is that it's 100% free to use. You don't need an account, but creating one will allow you to save your creations online. There are also paid versions with more features and unlimited access if you want to pay for a subscription. Right now, there is a 40% discount if you make a purchase before August 17th. As for me, the free version is good enough for what I need. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want to see more videos like this, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button, leave a like and a comment on this video, and hit that notification bell to be notified when I post new videos. You can also check out my other videos, including Let's Plays, or follow me over on Twitch at twitch.tv/Arohi, that's AHROWHY. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.